My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I put these glasses on to kind of look like scholarly, but it's really just me. I've worked over a decade with IRS. I have worked thousands of cases. I've been fortunate enough to be on ABC News, The Briefing, Fox Business News, and other major channels. And today I want to talk to you about delinquent tax debt and how IRS is going to work your case. You hear a lot of stuff on TV, what IRS is going to do, and what you do if you owe delinquent taxes. And there's a lot of garbage out there, frankly. And I just want to go ahead and let you know the truth, so you can just kind of pick who you want to use, whether you have your own attorney, CPA, enrolled agent, me, anybody you want. But let me just tell you the process so you understand it. IRS is going to send you a series of billing notices. File your tax return, 941, whatever. IRS is going to send out a series of 3, 4, or 5 notices. So you can either call when you get those notices, or a lot of people call when the letters kind of start amping up. Oh, we're going to take your kids, your bank account, wages, your house. We can take assets, but how's IRS actually going to deal with this delinquent tax debt? That's what you need to know. So as an agent, if I picked up your case, the first thing I'm going to do is I want to take a financial statement. I'm going to check the IRS computer, first of all, to do an asset check on you. Then I'm going to pull information about your prior returns so I know how much you've made. Then I'm going to pull up a history of your wages and income. So I'm going to have all this information when I knock on your door or pick up your phone to call you. I'm going to have all this information, so I'm going to know if you're telling me the truth. I may go by your house, check cars in the driveway, write down license plate numbers if the case comes to the local office. If the case is in the service center, they're probably just going to do a little checking, not as thorough, but they want to make a determination on your case. So IRS is going to want the 433A or the 433F or the 433B. They're all financial statements you'll find on the IRS site. So let's say you owe individual tax. IRS is going to pull up a 433A at the service center. They're going to go ahead and look at your income, your bank statements, your expenses, and they're going to make a determination based on that. But what's really important to understand is IRS has what's called a national standard. That is, depending on where you live in the country, what county you live in, IRS has standards that they allow you to live on for food and clothing, house and utilities, a car payment, how much you should spend on insurance and gas. If you're not familiar with these standards, it's going to be a real wake-up call when you go ahead and work with IRS. So once they go ahead and they get this information, on you, they're going to go ahead usually and put you into a payment agreement, or they can go ahead and suspend your case and put you in hardship, and they're just going to leave you alone for a couple years and sometimes forever. But two things that you have to do no matter what. You have to file all your tax returns, number one, and you have to stay current. If IRS does write your case off, you can never not file a return, and you never can owe money again, or IRS is going to kick the case back out to the field, and one day you're going to get the knock on the door, and someone as good looking as me is going to say, hey, guess what? I need your financial statement. How are you going to pay your debt? Nice talking to you. Me and my M&M man gives you thumbs up.